Hey y'all, I'm going to do a real quick recording of how to register for a Run Disney race. This is being done while I'm at the airport, so you're probably going to hear some background noise, but I will do my best to get you through this. Things you need to know is you'll go to runDisney.com. You will find the race that you're looking to register for. We're going to use the Disneyland virtual half marathon weekend because it's the only thing open that I can actually record actively and do for you. So this is what you're looking at. You are going to pick the race that you want. It also helps if you go ahead and sign in before you get to this point. If you notice, my name is in the upper right hand corner. We're going to pretend we're registering my husband just because I don't want all my private information all over the interwebs. But you can see this is the step-by-steps and all the details that you will need for anybody that you're registering, if it's yourself or if you're registering more than one person. I'm going to show you how to register more than one person. So you'll see where that comes into play. But for every single person that you register, this is the list of everything that you need. Now, with a virtual race, they do leave off a couple of additional questions. I think things like if you're going to be in the service member, in the military, category, that sort of thing, and also proof of time. My suggestion is answer as quickly as possible. It doesn't have to be 1,000% accurate at this point because you can always go back in and change whatever you need to later. Time is essential with these registrations, so you just need to pick as many as you can as quickly as you can. This is where we would go in and we would say, I am ready to register somebody else or register myself even for a second race. And it'll bring you up. It'll show you where you have one registration in your cart, and then it'll walk you through the steps again. You have to repeat every single thing you just did. If it's a new person, you're going to put in all of their new information. If it's you again, you're going to put in all of your information one more time. It again can take a while to get through these registrations, which is why we actually recommend, if possible, register as few people as possible. You want to make this quick. At the end, it says you're ready to pay. You click that button and it takes you to the payment screens. They're always going to ask you if you want to give a little something something to the charity that they are supporting. Feel free to throw something in there or skip past it and get straight to the good stuff. Once again, try to do this as quickly as possible. And please note that service fee that is being tacked on. So if you're doing a Disney gift card, it needs to cover every single service fee that is on there. So what you're going to do is pick however you want to pay. If you're using a gift card, you're going to need that extra number that's on the back. So make sure you have that handy. You're going to click that you're ready to go and submit your information. And boom, hopefully you were quick enough to get registered for this Run Disney race. Now, if that went by a little bit too fast for you, here's some additional checklist that you're going to look for. Go to rundisney.com to do this registration, but if you need tips, No Guilt Disney is where we have them all. This is my suggestion. This is my preferred method of doing things. I pull up Notepad. I put in all the information that I'm going to need so that I can just copy and paste very quickly into the order form as time goes on. Big thing to put in your copy and paste option, at least as far as I am concerned, because I don't have it memorized, is always put in my credit card number or my payment information if I am using a gift card. That is something that you just want to have handy that you can copy, paste, and throw in there. Again, you got to be quick about these things. It is your first sprint towards your marathon, half marathon challenge, 10K, 5K, whatever you're doing with Run Disney. Good luck, everybody. Race season registration is about to kick off, and it's going to be a lot of fun this year. Hope to see you out there.